Okay, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BMSN, and we will take a look at the weekly time frame. Being Friday, like I said, what better time to do weekly than right now? Real quick, what that means is instead of each one of these bars or candlesticks as they're known representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 1 week. So right here, it took 5 days to create that candle. So just keep that in mind. This is definitely for the overall chart perspective. If you're a day trader, then you really have no concern or no need for this chart. But if you're in this for the overall chart and kind of the overall just company story and all that good stuff, then this one does hold some importance to you. So keep that in mind. It's definitely for the overall chart perspective. So first thing to point out is this past week, pretty neutral. It did close red, but it's not like it was anything like last week or drastic. It was just pretty much simply a back and forth week. Nothing wrong with that, especially when you were looking at the overall weekly chart here, where you can see it's still well with above support levels and everything like that. So that segues nicely into, let's talk about some support levels here on the weekly chart. And the first one that really just sticks out and that the price has been doing a great job of holding the past few weeks is right here. That's just from the previous high of this week over here, and that's at 0075. So 0075 is going to be that first level of support that you'll want to see the price continue to hold. And like I said, it's been doing a great job of that. You can see temporarily dropped above it or below it a little bit on last week, but you can see by the time the close rolled around for that week, the price had closed all the way up there. So that'll be the first area of support. And then after that, you have the 10-week simple moving average right there, which is that blue line. That's valid at 0.0054. But really, and the key level that you're going to want to see hold is right here, this purple line, which is the 50-week simple moving average, and that's valued at 0.0043. Now, I know nobody would want to see it drop all the way down there, but let's just keep things in perspective. Let's say it were to drop all the way down there, find support, and then head back up. This set of lows is obviously higher than this set, so then when we go to draw our trusty uptrend line and connect those lows, we would still be able to draw an uptrend. So that's why it's important to just keep putting in those higher lows. Again, I know nobody would want to see it drop all the way down there, but technically speaking, from the charting perspective, it could do that, find support, and head back up, and we would still have that higher low. So that's just something to keep in mind. In terms of resistance levels, the key resistance right now that was established basically this week is right here at 0.0113. And then as you can see, with a break above that, no other resistances really until up here, back above, or I should say up here around the 0.015 and beyond. So lots of room to run if the price can manage to get back up here and push through this 0.011 area. So overall, nice looking chart. Not the most exciting past couple of weeks, but when you step back and look at the overall kind of movement of things, you can see that it's still above all these support levels, and that's still has a great chance to put in higher lows, and that's the name of the game. So overall, still looking just fine. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there. When you sign up, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and making an investment into your trading education, I'd encourage you to check out our course down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and education that's been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was the BMSN weekly chart. Thanks for listening.